Bluetooth, sound alert, and LED bulb lighting. A great combination in product with 6 various sound alerts and energy efficient LED bulb lights. Oscillations of sound alerts and LED control are through Bluetooth and app to accomplish. They are totally 30 seconds long recording time. They can be programming into several kinds of sound for alerts or any sound recording by customer. LED bulb light is dimmed through Hitpoint's specific app installed in smartphone or tablet. As concerned in Bluetooth covered range, sound alert and LED lighting all can be designed by customer according to demand. Even sound alert, sustaining time or the design to fit customers' enclosure is available as well. With Hitpoint's 3D printing facility, it's also welcome for customers to prototype a variety of housing to show off in exhibition for time to market.